pixels onto the center. Both robots on blue alliance and Galaxy Bots from the red alliance putting their purple pixels onto the corresponding center stage. Hyperion has placed theirs. Yellow pixel onto the corresponding backdrop. They're going for more with those green pixels. They're going for even more. Are they going to go for that sixth white pixel this time? One of them drops onto this backstage as we have 1 second remaining of Thomas period. 3, 2, 1. We're going to go into the driver control period now. Innovators rushing through already. They're going out. They're going to try to get those pixels to that center stage backdrop. Your RoboForce also going for that. And the this is the battle of the Fremont teams, and it's going and it's blazing already. Hyperion placing 2 more purple pixels. RoboForce placing 2 more white pixels. It's a very competitive match right now. Innovators and RoboForce in a traffic jam at the stage door right now. Hyperion getting ready for those 2 white pixels. They drop one onto the backstage. It's time. Will Innovators redeem? Yes, they will. It's a second mosaic for the Blue Alliance. Meanwhile, RoboForce placing their 2 pixels. They're trying to position it as far as possible from their existing mosaic. Here, Innovators placing that white pixel. They're assembling that yellow pixel as well. They've reached that first set line. Galaxy Bots getting ready to place their white pixels on. They do so. Hyperion's getting ready as well. Innovators is here with that extra purple pixel. They just place another white pixel. Get past that first set line. Hyperion getting those 2 white pixels there as well. 45 seconds left in this match. Innovators also rushing with that green pixel. They're trying to go for that next mosaic. Meanwhile, the red alliance has also hit past that first set line. RoboForce making that first. Those 2 pixels up across. We have 33 seconds left in this match. Galaxy Bots being into endgame, folks. Innovators getting ready with this 2. Galaxy Bots misses with their drone. Innovators